Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today is Beauty Ninja Mask Monday. We'll get to the mask. So, I'm doing Spa Life Animated Facial Mask, Pore Refining Egg White Mask. And let me put my glasses on. Unsightly pores giving you a fright. Egg white helps refine the look of pores and excess oil for a beautifully smooth complexion. Unwrap, put on clean skin, 10 to 20 minutes. Rub in excess serum to absorb. Use bi-weekly. Use only as directed. Da 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 da. That's what it looks like. All right, let's get this on. So, before we get, we're going to unbox the Inked Goddess Creations box. But before we get into that, let's talk about HC Silver and Stone. She's a friend of mine. She's a silversmith. She makes and creates jewelry for her Etsy shop. The piece I'm wearing right here is a piece, and this ring is a piece of her jewelry. It's HC Silver and Stone, and from October 1st through November 30th, she is giving a 15% discount with my code Christine15, or you can copy the link down below in the description box for your 15% off of any jewelry in the shop. Look at this. This is cute. I love the jewelry. I don't have anything negative to say about it. Because I love her jewelry so much, I reached out to her and asked her if she wanted to do like a code where I could do a little advertising for her and see if we could, get her some new business. And she said yes. And I was excited because I like to promote things on my channel that I actually like. So that's why. Because I'm a person that even if I love a company, if I get a product of theirs that I don't care for, or if it doesn't work right, I'm going to let you know. Because, I mean, if I was a company, I would want somebody to say, hey, this isn't working right, or whatever. There is a lot of serum in here. I'm going to save that and put it in a little jar. Anyway, look how cute this mask is. Alright, so HC Silver and Stone, 15% off from October 1st through November 30th. Get your orders in so she can get them to you by Christmas. Alright, so we're going to do an Ink Goddess Creations box unboxing. This is a Witchy subscription box. It's $35 a month, which includes shipping. She takes it out on the 1st of the month, and the box usually comes by the 10th, which it actually did. It's been sitting for 2 days because I was a little bit busy. So, I'm filming this on a Sunday, which I hardly ever do. I try not to do that because it's due Monday. But this has been a busy week. Alright, so we're going to try to throw my glasses on over this mask. Look how goofy that looks. It said a ghost, but to me, it just looks like a white pumpkin. You know what I mean? Alright, so here's a card. This is what I'm looking at. Alright, This is what it's looking like. We're going to take things out one at a time. Alright, so Liminal Whispers. Alright, so this looks like a spray. Let's find it. Liminal Whispers Mist. Essential oils of hoe wood, Palo Santo, frankincense, and more blend together for spiritual connection, protection, and higher journeying. Use this mist before meditation, astral travel, dream work, and more. Let's just open it. I love that she packs in these like Ziploc bags, because that way nothing spills. Ooh, that's what it looks like. It smells real good. Oh yeah, frankincense is real good for your skin. I wouldn't recommend spraying this on yourself. It more or less says like a room spray. Alright. So, next up is like a grayish purple candle. Almost got a lavendery feel. In Between Votive Candle. A blend of mugwort, dragon's blood, and cedar wood to help provide protection while traveling between the worlds, which means meditation or astral travel. Oh, hell yeah. That's so nice. Alright. Next in the box, Samhain Moon Incense. As the veil between the worlds thins, the Samhain Moon can help light your way. Light to cleanse your sacred space or set the atmosphere before magic, meditation, and journeying. Oh man, everything in this box this month smells so good. Alright. Oh, this is nice. Otherworld Oracle Deck. What messages await you from your guides or higher self? The Otherworld Oracle Deck contains 40 gorgeous cards and a book to help you tap into voices from the other side. I don't know if I can get this open because I don't know where my scissors are. Yay, okay. This is real pretty. Let's just open it up. There's the book. Let's look at just the first card, Magician. And that's what the card looks like. Alright. Beautiful. It's wrapped as well. Beautiful Oracle deck. I love Oracle decks. I love tarot cards. I know. A lot of people don't agree with that, but I love them. So that's all that counts, right? Alright, what's next? We got... Look how cute this little bag is. Oh, it looks like a smoky quartz. Oh, the bag has little spider webs and a little spider. It is a smoky quartz. Ooh. I love smoky quartz, especially this time of year. Where is it? Smoky Quartz Point. Smoky quartz is a wonderful gemstone for protection and grounding energy, helping you to expand your consciousness upward. How pretty. Ooh. I have a huge smoky quartz point that my husband got me, and I absolutely love it. Getting down to the end. Something in here. Oh. a pentacle cuff bracelet with it doesn't look like a pentacle to me. Oh, it is. They're on the inside. Okay, so this is what it looks like with H.C. Silverstone's ring. Alright. A pentacle cuff bracelet with pentacles subtly etched into the inside of this beautiful silver tone bracelet. You can wear this for protection as you travel between worlds. You can carefully twist or pull the bracelet apart or pinch it together to fit your wrist. It's pretty. Alright, so there's that. And last but not least, the Otherworld Eclectic Witch Expansion Pack. 2 cards on liminal spaces and tips for traveling between worlds to add to your Eclectic Witch card deck. So, every month you get 2 or 3 of these cards to make like a deck of cards. This is the ones. If you want to pause and read. Alright. So, we got the cards, the bracelet, the Oracle deck, the incense, the spray. Am I forgetting anything? Nope, that's it. Alright. And the candle. I'm really enjoying this box. Everything just smells divine. These incense. Oh, buddy. Alright. So, there's going to be a playlist down below. Please go check out the other girls and see what they're doing for their Mask Monday. It's been 12 minutes, so let's take this off. Go check out the list down below. Also, go check the links down below for HC Silver and Stone. And until next time, I will see you later. Bye.